Information about timber market in Cyprus. I do not have access to real-time information about the timber market in Cyprus. However, I can provide some general information about the timber industry in Cyprus. Cyprus has a long tradition of forestry and timber production, with the industry playing an important role in the country's economy. The most common tree species in Cyprus are pine, cypress, and eucalyptus. The timber industry in Cyprus is primarily based on the production of sawn wood, wood-based panels, and wood pellets. The demand for timber in Cyprus is mainly driven by the construction industry, which uses wood for various applications, including flooring, furniture, doors, windows, and roof trusses. In recent years, there has also been a growing demand for wood as a renewable energy source, particularly in the form of wood pellets. The Cyprus Forestry Department is responsible for the management and regulation of the country's forests, including the granting of logging permits and the monitoring of forest activities. The department also promotes sustainable forest management practices and the conservation of forest ecosystems. It is important to note that the timber industry in Cyprus, like in many other countries, faces challenges related to deforestation, illegal logging, and unsustainable forest management practices. Efforts are being made to address these issues through the implementation of sustainable forest management practices and the promotion of responsible wood sourcing and consumption.